Hi, I'm Stuart from SLB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. Let's go and see what it's all about. So I'm on a job in South London today, all under a tin roof, which is really good because it means rain or shine we can just get on, so we don't lose any days with the weather. And what I've got to do here to clad this dormer, it's quite hard to see because there's an extra scaffold lift put in there. That's the front section there. But we go up this ladder and I'll show you the rest. So we're just up on the other platform now. So that's the big section through the front, just with one window opening there. There's also a section to clad in there. There's a cheek to do on that section down there, which you can't really see at the moment, but there is a little cheek to do there as well. And round on this side, there's a huge cheek to clad. From memory, I think this is about 4.8 metres by 2.5 metre drop, so it's really big. I think in my 30 years, this is probably the biggest cheek I've ever had to clad, or definitely one of them. Now this is all vented, so airflow can get up through the bottom there, come all the way up and come out of the top here. It can also travel all the way underneath the flat roof. So I think what we're going to do in today's video is concentrate on cladding this cheek. So the first thing I'm going to do is run a continuous copper strip all the way down that edge there, 25mm off the slates, which I've already started doing just there. You can just about make that out, I think. So I'll continue getting the copper strip on, then we can get some grade A building paper on, start setting out some panels. Okay, that's the copper fixing strip fixed into position. I've also now put on the grade A building paper and set out where all my welts are going to be. I've done the same on the rest of the dormer. It took a bit of time setting this one out, but preparation is key. So now I've got everything set out, let's start putting this cheek on. Okay, I've made a pretty good start now at getting this cheek on. So let's get the next panel knocked up. Okay, I've already got a piece of lead here cut to size. I just need to knock up 25mm either side. So I'm just going to lightly scribe that. I'm going to put some patination oil in these welts. Okay, that's now ready to be fitted. Okay, let's get this in. Okay, just need to put some copper in that welt now, then I can repeat the process and get the rest of the panels on. Okay, I'm doing pretty good at getting this cheek on. I'm just up to this point here now. But what I've got to do now is just make this ridge saddle in here. I just need to finish welding that up. Once that's done, I can piece this timber back in, continue putting the copper strip on, put the rest of the paper on there, and then fit the last two cheeks. Okay, that's the last two cheeks in place now. So now that's done, what I need to do now is dress these clips, leaving the 5mm expansion gap. That's all the clips dressed up now. And I've just given that a coat of patination oil. So that's that cheek done. I'm just working my way around the front now. But I think I'm going to save that for another video and wrap this one up here. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at slbleadworks. For inquiries you can email slbleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.